Welcome back to Java Programming Graphical Interface and Event Series. In the first video, we discussed how to write a small applet in Eclipse. In the second video, we see how to write graphical interface application using Frame, which has the main method. And in third video, we will see how to add event handling. This is in continuation with the second video. Let's start. Before moving into the application program, let's have a look on what event handling is here in Java. We will briefly have a look. For event handling to happen in Java, we need a java.awt event package. And there are two types of events in Java, foreground and background. In the foreground, like if we have the different components like button, so click a button is a foreground event. Once event is occurred, means button is clicked, how to handle it. Event handling is done for that. It is a mechanism to control the events and decide what should happen after the event occurs. There are two things we should know. One is source, another is the listener. Source are the components which are liable to generate event, and listeners are those which are used to take action when the source event happens. So in order to do the event handling, we have to register the source with listener. Now let's move on to the program. So in this program, if we see, we are using the previous example, but here we have to use the event handling. So important is the package, and then the frame has the listener interface. These are the interfaces which are used to provide event handling. This listener interface will listen to any event generated by the source. Graphical source generally are buttons like submit button here, which when will be doing click, it will do the action. So source is the button. In order to do the event handling, the source button should have the register with the event listener. So here we have to make use of the function add action listener, which we will add with the source. Here in this example, source will be the submit button. So we will be using the submit button dot add action listener to register an listener interface. This listener interface has the methods which we need to implement. That's why in this class we have the implement action listener. There are different type of listener interfaces for different event sources. Now here in this example, we will see if we click on the button submit, then whatever is written on the button, how to show that in a label. We have created a label which has these boundaries. Okay, now we will add this label and then we will write the action. This action listener interface has the method called action performed, which needs to be implemented. We are implementing it here, action event. Okay, so in this action event, what we will do, we will be now taking the action event object. This action event object is when the source is clicked, action event happened, and then it has various methods. We are using here get action command method, which is used to capture the label of the button, and that label we are going to set in a label. The label component has a set text method which accepts a string, and get action command returns us a string. Now let's run it. We are saving. We are saving it and now running this. Once we run this, it comes like this. Okay, so here suppose this text is the text which will change when we click on the button. You can interact here some values. One, we have written the event handling for the submit button only in this example. So when click on the submit, the text of the submit is taken and shown here. Okay, so this way we can do. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. In the next video, we will have further graphical component interface, one more example of event handling, and what are the different possible applications that we can generate using the event handling in graphical interface. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.